The stomach by KayScience.com. Each of these cells are epithelial cells, and a collection of epithelial cells is called epithelial tissue. So what we've got here is epithelial tissue. Each of these cells is a muscle cell. A collection of muscle cells is called muscle tissue. So what we have here is muscle tissue. Each of these cells are glandular cells. Together, they form glandular tissue. These three tissues work together to form an organ, and we're now going to look at how they form the stomach. What I've drawn here is the muscle tissue. This is the muscle tissue that forms the wall of the stomach. The muscle tissue of the stomach contracts and relaxes continuously so that it churns the food to digest it. Covering the muscle tissue is the epithelial tissue. So the epithelial tissue covers both the inside and the outside of the stomach muscle. And the epithelial tissue on the inside acts to protect the other tissue of the stomach from the hydrochloric acid, which could damage your tissue. The stomach also contains glandular tissue. So the glandular tissue produces digestive enzymes and digestive juices. These digestive juices and digestive enzymes are released into the stomach to help digest food. The stomach is one example of an organ within the digestive system. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Your stomach is an organ that pummels food from larger to smaller pieces. Your stomach is an organ that pummels food from larger to smaller pieces. It uses the muscular walls to churn the food, break it down to smaller pieces. The stomach produces an enzyme called pepsin, which is a protease. Pepsin is a protease that breaks down proteins into amino acids. So remember, pepsin is a protease that breaks down proteins to amino acids in the stomach. And the stomach has a pH of 2, which is acidic because of the hydrochloric acid in the stomach. The hydrochloric acid in the stomach kills bacteria. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Press pause to practice using those key words. The answers will follow. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. And if you're stuck, just re-watch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Visit KayScience.com for more free videos, worksheets and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.